All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at a way to make $5 in 5 minutes just drawing lines on photos. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also check out my back catalog of hundreds of other videos about making money online. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There you can get a free membership, free websites, free training, and that's where you can really learn how to make big bucks online. There's a huge community there of very helpful people as well. Very cool indeed. But let's take a look at this. So what we're gonna be doing here, folks, is just drawing pictures and removing backgrounds from images. And these are people making money online doing this right now. As you can see, $5, $5, $5. This is just starting at $5. We'll take a look at this one here. You just want to go into Fiverr and type in remove background images into the search bar here, and you'll pop up with all these. But anyways, I will remove your background from images professionally in 3 hours, and the basic package is $5. That's 3 images, source file. Then there's another $10 package, and then our premium package of $20. And these are people actually doing this right now. And all you need to do is grab a piece of software like such. You don't need Photoshop or anything. There's a website here called clippingmagic.com, and you just upload an image. For example, this one here I already uploaded, and I drew some lines. The parts I wanted to erase I do in red. The parts I want to keep I do in green. For example, you just keep the green parts here. You just kind of select these parts that you want to keep. Then you take the red arrow here and or the red dot, and eliminate the parts you don't want to keep. Kind of messed up there. So just go like this, and as you can see, on the right side of the screen, it's removing different parts, and you can fine tune this and stuff like that. Like I messed up. There's a little bit of our hair I missed right there. But anyways, I'm just doing these quickly to show you, but you can fine tune it and everything like that. And you remove the image, or remove the background, and then you have the image as such. And like I said, you could fine tune it. I'm just kind of doing this quickly. And then you subscribe to download. This is a paid service. You do have to pay, but you can make the money back very quickly with your $5 each time you do this for someone. And as you saw on Fiverr, people are willing to pay for this. $3.99 a month, 15 credits a month, rollover minutes. Just pick whatever package you want. You can try the light package to start with. You're only spending $4, and you can make that back in no time. Here's some other people doing this on Fiverr. This person here, as you can see, they have 75 feedback. So I mean, you can make some decent cash doing this, and it's very simple. It takes you, no time at all. 5 minutes to remove the background on images, like so, and you're making some decent cash. So a very cool way to do it. There are other services out there to remove image backgrounds, like this one here. I did this one before. This one's free, but they lower the quality of the image unless you do pay. So this one works too. They have pricing here. If you're doing this professionally, I recommend getting a paid service to do it. Little investment in yourself, and you can make that money back in no time. But this one, like I said, there's a free package here, but they give you smaller images, and it kind of, degrades the quality of the image. But anyways, that's a way to make $5 in 5 minutes removing background images from photos. Really cool, folks. Anyways, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. If you want to make money in your sleep while you're on vacation and such, you're gonna get a free membership, free training, free websites. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. It's 100% free. There's a free membership. There is a paid membership as well if you want to check that out, but the free membership has so much that you're definitely gonna know if you want to upgrade or not. There's enough there to see if it's something you want to do. But anyways, check that out, folks. Subscribe to the channel. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.